Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI to get professional images every time. So once you open your Canva and make sure that you're logged in, go to this left panel, click on Apps, here scroll down, and you should find the magic media right here. So click on it, and from here, you can start describing, for example, the images that you want to get. So the thing that you should do to get every time professional images is be specific. Describe the subject, describe the style, describe the lighting, and mode. Example, if you want maybe like a picture on a desk with a laptop, don't just type here, oh, I want like a desk with a laptop. This will not create a professional image for you. As an example, you can type something like this. You can type minimalist. As example, I'm just going to type office desk with a laptop, and also maybe as example a coffee mug or mug here. We want also some natural lighting as example, or lighting, not lightning. So lighting, and also we want some modern aesthetics. So, and also I'll add here 4K. Why not? Oh, sorry, and the 4 I didn't type the 4, so 4K. And finally, I'll add photography. So example, this should be good, I guess. Now you can just go and click on generate images. And for you, you can even choose your AI model and style, because the magic media, it is best for realistic and detailed results. And there's also the magic design one, which is instantly applies to your generated image into template. And you can also choose the photo, 3D render, digital art, or painting style, a lot of things. So example, in this, I'm just going to click on generate images. Of course, if you don't know how to describe, you can use any AI tool and tell him, I want to create an example image using AI, and I want a disk with a laptop. The same thing like that you were going to type an example below. So as you can see, I do have here some professional images, as you can see right here. So let me just go and show you. If I go, and let me just go back, and I'm just going to type disk with a laptop. I'm just going to type that, and let's just see the difference between images. So this is what you'll have to learn. It's just write a perfect prompt. So as an example, as you can see, there's a huge difference between this and this. This looks so much better than this one, right? So what I'll tell you to do is use an AI to enhance your prompt. Enhancing your prompt is very, very necessary. You can go, as I said, to an AI. As an example, I'm just going here now to chat. Oh, not this. So to chat GPT. I'm just going to type that. And okay, we're going to this. So, okay, let me just go and click on this again. So I want to generate an image with or of a disk with a laptop. Can you write me a prompt or proper prompts to help me get a professional one? As simple as that. Hit the enter button and let's just see. So as an example, he'll give you a good prompt that you can use. You can just go and copy this and get it into Canva, and you should be good to go. You'll get your professional picture as you want. Of course, if you didn't like it, you can even do it, regenerate again until you get the one that you like. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.